A very good morning to everyone. Today, we'll be presenting about the importance of taking COVID-19 vaccine. My name is Wan Nor Adila, binti Wan Kaswadinata. My matrix number is 207172.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Hui Teng, and my matrix number is 207312.
Did you know the current global pandemic COVID-19 has more fatality than you can imagine? But what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is an illness caused by severe acute respiratory syndrome's coronavirus 2, or commonly known as SARS-CoV-2. According to the Worldometer, there are about 170 million infected cases and 3 million dead cases globally. This infographic shows the number of COVID-19 cases in Malaysia by state. Malaysia are among the most active global citizens in favor of vaccine passport. Malaysia has procured enough vaccination to inoculate its entire population. Thus, we have fully vaccinated 1.5 million of our population. In addition, those who have been vaccinated will be provided with a digital certificate. There are many importance of taking COVID-19 vaccine, such as it helps to reduce risk of COVID-19 infection among the public and reduce healthcare system burden. Vaccination actually helps to reduce risk of COVID-19 infection among the public. How? By stimulating the body to produce antibodies and cause immunization. Your body will start to build antibodies against the coronavirus and assist your immune system in fighting the virus if you are exposed, hence lowering your chance of contracting the illness. Antibodies can help to fight the disease and protect our body from the infection because vaccines contain weakened or inactive parts of antigen that triggers our immune response. Next, achieving herd immunity. Those who cannot take vaccines, public immunization can cut down disease transmissions and indirectly reduce risk of infection. But what is herd immunity? Herd immunity, also known as population immunity, is the indirect protection from an infectious disease that happens when a population is immune, either through vaccinations or immunity developed through previous infections. A substantial proportion of a population will need to be vaccinated, lowering the overall amount of virus able to spread in the whole populations in achieving herd immunity. The aim of working towards herd immunity is to keep vulnerable groups who cannot get vaccinated due to the health conditions, like allergic reactions to the vaccines, will be safe and protected from the disease. Now, I will pass the next presentation to Hui Teng to present the next point.
Good day to everyone. Now I'm going to share the second reason why taking COVID-19 vaccine is important. Vaccination is important because it helps to reduce our healthcare system's burden. The first burden that our healthcare system faces is limited healthcare facilities. Take our country as an example. Do you know that ICUs in our hospitals have reached 83% of capacity? Do you know that doctors nowadays have to choose whom to be sent to ICU due to limited healthcare facilities? Last week, I went to the hospital and was shocked to realize that the hospital was full of patients. The nurse there told me that most of the patients were COVID-19 patients. The overgrowing number of COVID-19 patients had utilized most of the healthcare facilities. So how does taking COVID-19 vaccine helps? COVID-19 vaccination helps to reduce COVID-19 patients, and this helps to space out some healthcare facilities. In this case, our healthcare system's burden can be reduced. Moving on to the next point, the second burden that our healthcare system faces is mental and physical health of healthcare workers are challenged. According to a survey done by Mental Health America (MHA), among 1,119 healthcare workers, 82% of them say that they are experiencing emotional exhaustion. 90% of them say that they are getting less than 8 hours of sleep. 93% of them say that they are experiencing stress. And the top reason for the stress is fear of getting COVID-19. Have you all watched a documentary filmed by Majalah Tree? It was really heartbreaking for me when I realized that our healthcare workers had sacrificed a lot for us. So the overwhelming number of COVID-19 patients are stressing our healthcare workers out. Thus, providing COVID-19 vaccination helps to reduce COVID-19 patients. This allows our healthcare workers to have enough time for rest and to reduce their risk of getting infected by COVID-19. In short, we can say that taking COVID-19 vaccine helps to maintain our healthcare workers' mental and physical health. Before we move to the conclusion, let's watch a short video on current situation in Malaysia regarding COVID-19 pandemic.
Unit rawatan rapi atau ICU Hospital Sungai Buloh menempatkan pesakit kritikal tahap 4 dan 5 wabak COVID-19. Kebanyakan pesakit terpaksa bergantung harap kepada bantuan alat pernafasan bagi memastikan mereka terus bernyawa. Namun, ada kalanya bantuan yang diterima tidak cukup buat menghalang takdir yang telah tertulis untuk mereka. Bila ajal sudah memanggil pesakit COVID-19, panggilan video menjadi wadah akhir insan tersayang, melempiaskan ucapan selamat tinggal.
In conclusion, the COVID-19 pandemic has affected many countries worldwide, including Malaysia. The number of COVID-19 cases in Malaysia is still very high, affecting our country's economy and social activity as well. This is why our government urged us to take and accept the vaccine. To summarize our points today, taking COVID-19 vaccine is important because it reduces risk of COVID-19 infection among the public. And secondly, it reduces the healthcare system's burden. Lindung diri, lindung semua. This is a slogan by COVID-19 Immunization Program Malaysia 2021. We can only protect the others by protecting ourselves. With this, I urge everyone to take and accept COVID-19 vaccine. Thank you.